Have you ever pondered how a mere cluster of cells could wield such power, dictating life and death? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? This is the grim reality of cancer, a formidable foe that has been a part of the human narrative since the dawn of time. Yet, humanity has persistently sought to outsmart this wily adversary, and the story of this struggle is one of resilience, innovation, and hope. At the turn of the 20th century, humanity made the first significant strides in this battle. The discovery of X-rays and radium unlocked the potential of radiation therapy, offering a glimmer of hope in an otherwise bleak landscape. The first 2 decades of the 1900s marked the birth of radiation oncology, with the first successful cancer treatment using radium recorded in 1901. Fast forward to the period between 1920 and 1940. Here, surgical advancements took center stage. Radical procedures, such as the Halsted radical mastectomy for breast cancer, became prevalent, improving survival rates for certain types of cancer. The 30s also saw the advent of hormonal therapy, the revelation that estrogen could stimulate the growth of breast cancer cells led to the use of oophorectomy, the removal of the ovaries, as a form of treatment. Then came the 40s and 50s, an era that marked the birth of chemotherapy. A serendipitous discovery of the anti-cancer effects of nitrogen mustards, a class of chemical warfare agents, paved the way for the development of the first chemotherapy drugs. The story doesn't end there. Today, in the year 2024, we stand on the brink of a scientific revolution. Groundbreaking technologies like CRISPR and mRNA hold the promise of outmaneuvering cancer's cunning adaptations. CRISPR, a gene editing tool, offers the potential to correct cancer-causing genetic mutations at their source. mRNA technology, on the other hand, can be tailored to produce proteins that trigger a robust immune response against cancer cells. This ongoing battle against cancer is a testament to our scientific ingenuity. It's a race against the evolutionary prowess of one of humanity's oldest foes. As we stand poised on the cusp of these scientific breakthroughs, the potential to finally outwit cancer seems increasingly within our reach. It's a hopeful glimpse into a future where cancer can be defeated not through brute force, but through strategic, targeted, and personalized interventions that address the disease at its genetic roots. In summary, the journey to outsmart cancer has been a long and arduous one. From the dawn of radiation therapy in the early 20th century to the advent of groundbreaking technologies like CRISPR and mRNA, humanity has persistently sought to outwit this formidable adversary. Today, the potential to finally overcome cancer seems increasingly within our grasp, heralding a new era in the fight against this relentless disease.